telling them, you're just gonna eat food, you know what I'm saying? And just
Indian food.
And it was, so what actually...
Jamaican style.
What? So it's not Indian food then, you daft! So basically, yeah, it's Jamaican curry with Indian snacks. Onion bars, I made them from scratch, you know what I'm saying? What does that? So I was eating a bit. Can't say it for free. So I was eating a bit. And you know, sweet all the sweet like my G. Yeah,
Oh, we are back. No filters on our faces, no filters on our faces. One says that, yeah. See, look at my mum, looking all hood and stuff with a hat on, you know what I mean? Think she's Benny Hill and things. Yeah, mum. So we're gonna eat them, what?
Yeah. So, today we are having, look, let me show you. Rice.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry. And Mish has made.
Homemade onion bhajis. What's this stuff?
And that's what we'll sit on the floor today. Because we can.
Would you like sitting on the floor sometimes?
You want some of this? We're going to try and eat the traditional way.
Curry's good, you know, mum.
Innit?
This is Jamaican curry, though.
Yeah.
Still, as you can see, I've still got my natural hair out, you know what I'm saying? No extensions yet.
Nobody cares.
People care.
You care?
What's now, my G? I don't know.
What?
It's quite good, you know.
Mish, I've been cooking for you all your life. Are you
Yeah, but
stupid?
this curry's extra good.
But I'm going to go to, when it goes to the chicken,
Oh my god. That's
I'm
like
going to
Nana's.
eat.
That's like Nana's curry chicken.
Does it, baby?
Exactly like it.
So when it comes to the chicken, I am going to eat with a fork.
Oh. Is that what I am?
No, I am. You do what you want to do.
I will do what I want to do. It's to be fair, it's rice.
It's too crumbly.
It's too fluffy. That's why I just dropped it all over the floor. Yeah, it makes sticky rice.
I'm just doing this. Oh, I just picked chicken up with a fork. Look, put this.
The onion bars are good, you know.
That chicken is good, isn't it?
Chicken's alright.
Yeah.
So what are you talking about then?
Nothing. I'm just going to eat today. I don't want to talk. Do you want to talk?
I think so.
Can you remember last night, Misha? Misha had that chicken's spicy as well.
No.
It is, because I was talking about Misha. Anyway, so last night we were sitting down and me and Misha, we had 4 bottles of wine between us. Drink away, people.
Oh yeah.
But, but we're talking and we didn't realise.
I realised.
No, you didn't. You didn't realise how much you drink. Because you drink, when you're talking and you're so involved in what you're talking about, you don't even realise what you're drinking. Miss, you drank more than me, by the way. But today, I was feeling like crap.
I wasn't. I felt sad today.
You did, didn't you? But that's because she's young and I'm old, you know?
Innit?
I mean, like, if my mum saw me on the floor now, God rest her soul, she'd go, what are you sitting on the floor for? Mum would say that to me, you know that, yeah?
I have no idea. This chicken's good though still.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Right, so Misha made these onion bhajis, look. Nice, isn't it? So, let me taste this now. I'll just break it up, look.
Go ahead and eat it. Tell somebody. What are you sticking your tongue out like that for?
To grab it in.
To grab it in? You're right.
To get all of it. That is a nice piece, yeah. I don't like Indian food as a rule, do I? But this is Indian food. This is Jamaican style Indian food.
You're very funny with all kinds of food.
Yeah.
Mum, does it like Chinese?
No, I don't like. Okay, I'll put it this way. I don't like takeaway at all.
Mum likes Jamaican food, obviously. Some English food.
And then Italian.
And Italian, that's it.
And better still, I like homemade food.
Isn't it?
And if Gemma was here, We like some of her food, but we're still waiting for that. Oh, what Misha?
Yeah, yeah, I'm waiting for some sausage rolls still. It's okay, you know what I mean? I just wait for them.
After lockdown, we will clock that, yeah?
Uh,
As you can see, I've still got I got a hat on. I need to do my hair. That's why I got a hat on, fam. Misha, do you know what? To eat food out your hand is nice, man, isn't it?
I do like it tastes better.
It really does. I'm not going to do this on Rex, but bloody hell. Because you have to remember, from before, you know, back in the, before, did they have no,
Knife and
forks?
forks.
Did they?
Yeah, they did. They used to use rock.
How did you use a rock?
And a thin rock and scoop it up like a spoon.
Are you serious?
I'm taking a breath.
Did you just make that on?
Oh my god.
So before Christ, I'm so sorry that I said before that shit, because I didn't mean that. But what I'm saying is before Christ and all that kind of thing, and then when you have, when a man was evolving from like that, yeah, I mean, there was no such thing as knife and forks. So, is that why, what Pacific, you know, nowadays, like, people eat like that? What Pacific
I'm not
people?
sure, you know, like, I know, well, I say I know. I do believe that there's certain,
Religions.
not religions, backgrounds,
Yeah.
they all eat differently. So I do believe Inuit is the best way to say it.
What?
Inuit.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, got that right to me here, yeah.
so eat certain foods with the hands.
What does Inuit mean?
There's a correct name. I don't want to say the word because I know it is offensive.
To whom?
Inuit. So like,
Is that a people's?
yeah. Okay. For the best way for me to I am gonna have to say it. I know you don't like it. Indigenous, yeah. Eskimo. And they find Eskimo, they do find that offensive, and I do apologise. But that's just the best way for me to get it across to
Me?
Mum.
Yeah.
Right. Eat certain cuisines
Yeah.
with the hands. African
Why,
people.
do you think it, yeah, but do you think it tastes better doing that way?
Uh-uh.
Or is it because,
No,
just
they do it.
because?
It's just traditionally how they eat it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh my god. Yeah, I've learnt so much things coming on here from Misha.
The chicken just falls apart.
It doesn't it? Yeah, but I've learnt so much things coming on here from you, you know, Mish.
Really? Why?
Because I never do that. Yeah, I mean, because, like, you know, in every background of your own people, even though I wish we were just one people.
All people, yeah.
But like, obviously we've all got backgrounds. You read upon all this kind of stuff, don't you? Or you learned it at school or whatever, yeah?
A lot of it's from social media.
Yeah. Really? That you learn? Is
Yeah.
it? See, I would never have known that. Yeah, I mean, but so eating from a fork is,
I'm just don't do it.
yeah, I know, but is what to them?
I think eating with using utensils is a very westernised way to eat.
Yeah.
That's why.
Is that
So
what it
like,
is?
yeah, we're westernised.
We are.
That's all it is.
Yeah, but you know, like honestly, doing it tonight from my fingers, it tastes so much sweeter, doesn't it?
I don't know.
But because I'm so used to eating with a knife and fork, and that, oh my god.
The food's just sweet still.
But in all languages, like obviously we've got our own,
Patois.
you know, the way that we eat and the food that we eat. Yeah, I mean, like, not everybody washes meat, do they? You know what I mean? But it's their way.
Do you know what? I don't even think that's a culture thing. Well, it is. Right. Everyone we know washes their meat. Yeah?
Black or white, innit?
Yeah. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
But
And
what do you
definitely
wash
Chinese
after?
people, they wash their rice. Sorry, wash their meat, don't they?
I wash their rice.
Yeah. Yeah, but because like, you know, when I was growing up, so the, you know, the English white, obviously I'm black, English white and Jamaican, they used to wash the rice after they cook the rice. I don't know, how can you cook rice after you washed it? Sorry,
No,
how can you wash rice after you cooked it? I don't get that.
Yeah, but in my head, the rice can be cold.
So I don't get it, I don't understand that way, but that's their way, you know what I mean? But we've
I
always
know
been
it's your
taught,
way, but it doesn't make no sense.
yeah, I mean, like, when we wash rice, people, we don't wash it with washing up liquid,
Look.
that's one thing. We wash it with lemon,
See how it just falls off the floor like that?
yeah, we wash it with lemon, limes, and, or just water, boiling water, blah, 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 wash the meat, don't we? You know what I mean? But everybody's got their own way, isn't
Oh,
it?
you should rinse the rice out there, like, you know what I mean?
Until the starch is gone.
Till the water runs clear.
Mrs. Chicken is it's a bollard. Shit, I'm glad. Fuck, I was swearing, but Gemma's not here to tell me not to swear.
Hearing that.
You know what I mean? Gemma will be back soon. As soon as this lockdown is done, Gemma will be back.
I'm not
It's
too
her birthday
worried.
tomorrow.
I'm not too
And we're
worried.
quite celebrating with her.
Like you, Gemma.
But we've got loads of presents ready for her. Haven't we, Mish?
Like Gemma. I'm not bothered.
What have you been like that for?
Huh?
What have you been like that for?
I've been like what for?
You're being a bitch, aren't you?
No.
You know, love Gemma. She's like your white sister.
Small doses.
Gemma's not really baby. I love you anyway. From the bottom of my heart, darling. I'm going to save some of this dinner and bring it to you tomorrow with all your presents, kid.
We ain't.
Yeah, we are, Lisa. Oh my God, I wish you were here enjoying this with us. This
I don't, I'm glad you missed out.
and naan bread. But you're not. But so what we're going to do now, we're going to enjoy the rest of our food without you.
I'm about you.
But tell
The
us,
viewers.
yeah, the viewers, without you all, right, but tell us what you would like us to eat next, because we're ready.
I swear to God, you don't put no foolishness on there.
Tell us what you want us to eat, and we'll eat it. You know we will.
How many chicken fries did you give me?
About 3.
So why have you hardly ate any of yours? Why have it all of mine?
Because I've been doing most of the talking, Misha. Why you just been sitting there?
What is this,
Stuffing your
Patricia
goddamn
shake?
face. Yeah, actually it is.
I just put chicken knuckle in my dinner.
And it's just a caress, thank you.
Right, Trisha Caress. Yeah.
So we're gonna say,
Wait.
see ya. Bye.
Bye!